welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be me basically changing this bedroom. So as you're aware, I did decorate the bedroom a week ago now and I wasn't happy with it at all. I wasn't happy with the colour of the paint, which you can see here. I wasn't happy with the headboard that I'd chosen, which came from Next. I'll insert a picture of you to see the headboard that I purchased from Next. And I wasn't happy with the texture against this colour wall. Now the colour of the wall is Egyptian cotton by Dulux and it's a beautiful colour, but because I'm so used to grey tones, this is just too cream for me. It's very like a putty colour, so I've decided that it's not staying. When it was originally done, Lee said to give it 1 week to see if it sat okay with me and grew on me. Basically it hasn't grown on me. I am not happy with this, so we have been and bought new paint to go up on the walls. So these walls will be painted and I'll spin you around. You can actually see how cream the wall looks in comparison to the grey headboard. So the next time that you see me, this wall should be grey. I'm going to crack the whip on Lee and get him up here and get him painting. I've chosen not to go for that grey. I've gone for something a little darker. It's still light, but it's a little darker and I feel more comfortable with the grey. It's such a hard thing for me to go for something as bold as this. Although it's not a bold colour, it feels bold to me because I'm so used to white or a very slight grey colour, which are the only colours that I've ever used. My house has been all white for around 7 years now, and before that it was a very pale cream. It was actually called warm white, not warm, was it warm white? I think it was called warm white in Dulux, which is just an off-white shade, but that was before it was all brilliant white. Now I just love brilliant white. I know it's not to a lot of people's tastes, but to me it makes me feel calm, it makes me feel happy, and at the moment this colour is not making me feel calm and happy, so I'm going to change it to a nice grey shade, which I'm sure I will be happy with. The headboard was a wool blend, so the texture was nice, but I didn't like the texture against the matte wallpaper. It just weren't sitting right with me. So I've sent the headboard back and I will be keeping this headboard. The mirrors will not be going back up here because I've had all the holes filled in. I just felt like it was too much with this mirrored art and these mirrors too. I did buy a piece to go above the bed, which I'll insert a picture for you to see. It's a whitewash wooden piece from Mason something. I'll show you the picture so you can see what it looks like, and I was going to put that across the top above the new headboard, but I just feel like it's a completely different look for me. I'm a lover of modern contemporary design, so it was just something completely different. The bedroom would have looked very shabby chic. As much as I love shabby chic, I think it's a lovely design, it's not in fitting with my home. I feel like it would be completely different. Whether that's just me and my OCD, I don't know, but I just feel like my bedroom wouldn't suit being a shabby chic bedroom. So I am going to change the light fitting also, but I've not purchased anything yet. This light fitting, it's going to go. I'm going to get something a little more simple than the big chandelier because I just feel like it's too big for the room. As much as I love it, it was originally purchased early last year when I was going to change the whole bedroom, like the show home bedroom, and that colour is very similar to what was in the show home, but I just feel like it's not me. So I'm going to stick to what I love. These probably will stay until I find something different. I know you can't get them no more, but the new design has got a white piece in the middle, so I could potentially go for that design for a change, but why would I do that when I've already got those? So until I do find the perfect piece, the mirrors will remain above the bed. Those mirrors were purchased from a shop in Warrington called All That Jazz, and unfortunately they don't have a website or an Instagram, and I can't really link anything similar in the description box below because I've always struggled to find similar. They're just a very different home accessory that I've had for probably around 2.5, 3 years, maybe even a little bit longer. No, 2.5 years. Obviously they're old now and I'd love to change them to something different, but I just haven't found the perfect piece yet. So what's going to change when we come back is this wall and this wall. It's all going to change, so next time I see you, it will be grey. See you shortly. We have a problem. My hands, they're actually hurting. Lee has spilt the whole bottle of paint on the spare bedroom floor. There's about that much left in the tin, and I've just spent the last 50 minutes cleaning it up. I feel like I'm gonna, like, steam is gonna come out my ears at any minute. And then old Denny rings me to say that he's stuck in Manchester and couldn't get back to pick Brooke up from a party. So I'm like, more steam coming out my ears. I've just had to spend 50 minutes cleaning paint up. I don't even know whether I've got enough to paint the wall. And it's Sunday. I'm filming in real time. It's Sunday, 15:33. And I'm like, do I just go for it? If I can get that wall done, I can do that wall tomorrow. But I'm doing it myself because I'm not in the mood for any more. Some mothers do have them moments. And that's it. The bedroom is done. It's back to what it looked like before, but a little tiny bit darker, but I actually really like it. So I'm going to take you off and I'll let you have a little look, but I'm happy. I'm happy with the grey look. I'm happy with how it's finished, with how the paint dried. I had enough, thank God. So I'm going to take you off and let you have a quick look around. I feel so much better with that grey paint. These cushions are new. They're from Tesco's and they're a lovely fabric, and they were £4 each, and I just thought, yeah, they're perfect for the bed. £4 each. The light is still there, but I will change that as soon as I get round to it. And then over this side, it's looking very nice with the grey. So that's the bedroom all finished. These are from Tesco's. The throw is from B&M stores a while ago now. It is quite old, that throw. The little flowers are from the range, and the mirror was from, I think that was actually from B&M. But the paint that I've got on the walls is Farrow and Ball, and it's pure Beckstone, and it's just a nice shade of grey. It's slightly darker than the Cornforth white, which is downstairs, but I actually really like it. The bedside lamps are from Furniture Village, and the little orchid there is from Next. My bedding is from Georgia Asda. Sometimes I have these great ideas where I think something's going to work out really well, and what I learned was shabby chic really isn't my style. So the headboard's gone back. The piece that I ordered for above the bed hasn't arrived yet, but I will be returning that. I think it was around £70. I will be returning that when it arrives. And one thing I've learned is not to change something if I'm already happy with it, because I am happy with how the bedroom looks, and it is a very relaxing room for me. I love coming in here and just chilling out. So I'm going to leave it as it is for a while. I am on the lookout to replace those mirrors above my bed, just to have something different. But other than that, everything else I'm going to leave as it is, because I do really love it, and I realised that once the bedroom was cream. So that's the end of my video. I really hope that you have enjoyed this nice quick video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you all have a fabulous day. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll link as many things as I can in the description box below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Have a lovely day, everyone. Bye for now.